boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a great song here from Johnny Orlando called Thinking of Me. I believe we had Johnny Orlando here before on this channel. I just can't remember which song here, but anyway, this is a great guitar song as well. Fits guitar very well, and it has this slow tempo over it. Okay, some chords are a little bit tricky, not your standard usual chords, but we'll learn that. So let's dive into this together. Let's put a capo set here on the 3rd fret. With that, we have the easiest chords possible, and it match up with the sound as well. So capo on 3rd, and let's go over the chords here. The first one is the D-A chord. So that's basically a D, but with an A in the bass. Sounds like that. So that is open A, that's the bass note, and then open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. The next chord is an A C chord. That is basically an A, but with a C sharp in the bass. Goes like that. So what you do here is that you place a little bar there on the 2nd fret, and you do that from the bottom up to 4th string there. So 4 strings on the 2nd fret, and then you just add the 4th fret on the A string. So that's your C sharp note there, the bass, and then you bar the rest down there on the 2nd fret. All right, so that's the A C chord. Then we have the C G. A lot of combos there, but this is basically a C but with a G in the bass. Sounds like that. So that's the 3rd fret on E string, the G note there, and then we have 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So that was the C G chord. Now the plain G sounds like that. 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have E minor. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. The A, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have B minor. That's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 2nd fret. You bar all strings except for the last E here in the bass. And then you need to add 4th fret on D string, 4th fret on G, and 3rd on B. And then we have one final chord, that's a bar chord again. It's a G minor. So you place the bar on the 3rd fret over all strings, and then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. So there we have all the chords. I believe perhaps 7 or 8, maybe 8 chords. Anyway, let's take a look at the different parts here. So we have first the verse play, and before we look at the chords and so, we need to learn the strumming pattern, and that will be divided into 2 different parts. So if you grab the first chord, the D-A chord here, so one full strumming round will be like this. Okay, so the first part is the first 2 downs. So down, down. Okay, and then it continues with up, up, down. And then down, down, up. So up, up, down, 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 up. So if we put these 2 parts together, it will be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. And a couple of rounds of it. All right, so we're ready for the actual song here. So the verse play will be the D-A 1, then the C, AC 1, then the C-G 1, and G1. 1 means 1 strumming round, 1 full. So D-A, A, C, C, G, and G. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that, so. Alright, then we are at the pre-chorus part. You're gonna play E minor, 1 full round, then A, 1 full round. Then you have the DA part 1, that means just the down, down. And then you go to the AC chord and play again part 1, the down, down. And then you play the B minor, 1 full round, E minor, 1 full round, and then you end with G minor, just 1 down with a pause. That pause builds up for the chorus parts. So I'm gonna play through here for you and just mention the chords while I'm playing. So E minor 1, A1, DA, AC, B minor 1, E minor 1, and G minor 1 down. So that 1 down marks the chords, and the chords will be the DA 1 full round, the AC 1 full round, the CG 1 full round, and the G 1 full round. You recognize that, that comes from the verse play. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that, okay? And after these 2 rounds, you're gonna play E minor, 1 full round, and then 1 down on the A with a pause. In the same way as we'll play G minor, 1 down, we now end the chorus with 1 down on the A. So, let's do this. DA1, AC1, CG1, and G1. Let's repeat that, so. Now E minor 1 and A1 down with a pause, and that builds up for the next part. In this case, the verse play. You're gonna do that again for a second round, and after all that second round of everything comes some instrumental parts, and it's no change, nothing new there in this instrumental part. You just continue with verse play for 1 round, and yeah. That pretty much cover all the parts you need here for Johnny Orlando's Thinking of Me. Nice song here. If you can handle and practice the chords and the chord switches, and then this will be a very nice guitar song to add up to your portfolio there. So I really hope this was educational and it helped. And if it did, please support me here, show me some love back here. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.